Once you click on the link, this is the screen that you should see. Today we're only doing the practice. Now, if this was the real test, you would go to summative assessment. It usually takes a little bit of time to upload on your laptop. On here, you have to select the 2018 grade. You're going to scroll all the way to the very bottom for EOC. Subject will be Algebra 1. The test you're going to select is no PMP. PMP just means accommodations, and we're not doing accommodations on here unless you have it specified on here. At the bottom, you're going to say take test. This is what the screen should look like. You're going to hit next. You have to click on agree. Next. And again, read as you're going through these. This is what your screen will look at on the day of the test. It will go through all the different features, how you can go back and forth through the questions. Mark for reviews. There's different features you are able to use on the test. You have your different things on your test, guidelines, eliminators, sticky notes, and a pencil. Highlighter as well. On here, you're just going to hit next. And then you will see what the practice questions from the 2018 Algebra EOC test looks like. So the reason you're getting on here is just to see what you're going to see on the day of the test. You have your toolbar at the top. Eliminator, if you want to eliminate one of your choices, you can use that. Your sticky note, if you want to write a little note on something and come back to it. Formulas, which you'll also get a paper copy. And you can see all of your formulas that are available to you. Graphing calculator, you're going to be using either the Desmos test mode calculator or the Inspire test mode calculator. You can also use this calculator on your test as well. You can bring it up and just leave it to the side as you are answering questions and move it around. Graph paper, you will be given graph paper on the day of your test, but if you want to maybe select some points and maybe it's a rise over run question, whatever you need, this is on here, and you can hit delete if you want to, or you can hit make a line if you want to. You also have a pencil that you can select, and you can select how you want your pencil or if you want to erase something. So again, if you want to underline or draw something or do your math work to the side, you can do that as well. You can zoom in the problem if you want to. Color, if you want to pause something, of course that doesn't pause your time. Help, you do not want to select log out until you're done. So you're going to go through each question on your EOC. When you're done, of course you can go back and forth. When you're done, you're going to hit the very bottom review end. So then it will go all the way down and tell you what all your answer choices are. And the last thing you're going to do is you're going to double check your answers, make sure you're good, and then you will select end test. And then it will tell you, are you sure you want to end? And you have to check and hit submit and end test. And that's what your test will look like for your EOC. If you have any questions, let me know.